How to use Higgsfield AI for real estate. Open up the website, now hover over video, and I recommend using the Seedance 2.5 model. Click on it, it's gonna say create cinematic videos up to 30 seconds. That's what we're gonna use for real estate. So click on it, and then right here you will see reference images. Now if you have images of your real estate, you will click on that option and upload file. Right here I have two AI generated images. I'm gonna click on open. Okay, I confirm that it's legal and I agree, continue. Now that you have uploaded your images, we're just gonna go and wait for them to upload and check if they're eligible. So we're gonna wait for that as well. And in the meantime, we can give it a prompt. So real estate walking through 2 rooms, same property, something like that. And we want to click on add images. So here it's currently still checking. Okay, so that's going to be my first image. Now we're going to wait for this one to finish checking as well, and then we will add that one as well. So basically, once you add both images, then you will click on generate here at the bottom. You can also choose the quality, so 720p, how many seconds, the model we've selected Seedance, and the aspect ratio here is going to be 16:9. If you want a vertical video, if you want a horizontal one, you will do 9:16 or vice versa. And you will get a smooth transition from one room to the other. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.